Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about Sealy financing. So I already talked about the Tempur-Pedic. I'm going to talk about next the Bob's Discount Furniture, but I think that all of these are kind of bulked into, I would say, the same category. If I was to have to get a credit card to help with utilization, these would be the credit cards I want to get. I want to get Tempur-Pedic, oh my gosh, Sealy, Bob's Discount Furniture, the Lexus Pursuits. I want to get the Toyota. I want to get Lowe's. These type of credit cards, Care Credit, because they give out a lot of times a higher limit that can help with the overall utilization. Sometimes you don't want to get anything from Sealy. That's not what you want to do, but it can actually help with your utilization, and there's no annual fee. So that's why I tell a lot of people to actually check out this credit card, because this can actually help you make sure that you actually fix your utilization if you do have problems with your utilization. So it's going to be no annual fee for this credit card. They do have 0% APR financing for 24 months. And you guys can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry, meaning that they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without a hard inquiry. They are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, but they are going to check TransUnion to actually approve you. So they're not going to give you a hard inquiry until you actually accept whatever offer they give you and accept it. A lot of times, if they can't give you anything, they're going to tell you straight up, like, hey, we cannot approve you. Fine, don't feel no type of way. I'm going to show you another way to get some other credit cards. If you did want this credit card, I'm going to show you another way you can get other credit cards. But just move on, because you avoided a hard inquiry, which is better than some of those credit cards where you don't even get to pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. So that is definitely a good thing. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved, definitely look into my exclusive credit membership. I do have a 7-day $1 trial for it. As you can see right here, accounts being deleted, credit score is going up. This would be great for those people that are having a hard time getting approved for credit. This can be very great for you all. So definitely look into my exclusive credit membership. Now, I already told you that I definitely think that this is similar to the Tempur-Pedic credit card, also the Bob's Discount Furniture. So definitely, if you were able to get the Sealy and you want more help with your utilization, definitely look into the Bob's Discount Furniture. Also look into the Tempur-Pedic, because all of these are similar. Also, the Synchrony Home credit card, the home credit card. I had this one, but I told you guys plenty of times, and I didn't even follow my own rules. I had like 3 of the Synchrony bank cards closed on me because I did not use them. That was closed due to inactivity. Please make sure you guys go and spend something on. I don't care if it's $10, $5. Just go use the card at least once a year. Once every 6 to 9 months, just to make sure that you keep some type of activity on it. So keep that in mind. Also, the Discover 8 cashback could be another great card for you all. For those people that want more credit cards, like I said, maybe you don't get approved for this one, definitely look into the list of credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. I have that full list here. I'm going to scroll up to the top so that you can see it, because these lists of credit cards is for people that have good credit, bad credit. It does not matter what your credit looks like. These credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So they're going to let you know yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without a hard inquiry. And that's what you guys are going to need a lot of times, for them to tell you yes or no without the hard inquiries, so that you don't get a lot of hard inquiries. And then now companies are dropping your credit score, lowering your credit score before you can even get more credit. And a lot of companies don't like to see a lot of hard inquiries, because they're going to wonder exactly what's going on and why weren't you approved for them, or why are you applying for so much credit at one time. So this is the Tempur-Pedic that I said is similar to. This is the one we're talking about, which is the Sealy financing. And then Yamaha can actually help you too with utilization. Bob's Discount Furniture can also help you with your utilization. Lowe's can help you with your utilization. Lexus Pursuits can help you with your utilization. Care Credit, Synchrony Home can help you. Home Depot, Toyota, those credit cards can really help you with your utilization. And Avant and Best Egg are really personal loans, where you guys can pre-qualify for a personal loan. Now let's actually look at the website for the Sealy financing credit card. So you got the 0% for 24 months with equal payments, minimum purchase of $2,000. So that is the promotion that they have. All orders of $500 or more are eligible for a 0% APR for 12 months of equal payments. I told you guys you can pre-qualify for it. So you can check here to see if you can pre-qualify for the credit card. Which that means that they're going to tell you yes or no without the hard inquiry. That is a good thing. This is by the Fortiva Retail Credit. Again, they're going to check your TransUnion credit report. If you don't qualify for the CD credit issued by Wells Fargo, they offer special financing through the Fortiva. If you guys don't know about Fortiva, I learned about Fortiva when my uncle actually got the Fortiva credit. And it's really it's really credit out there for people that don't have the best of credits, for like people with lower credit scores. But if you really wanted this credit card specifically, this can be a great option. I do suggest that you pair it if you're going to get this credit card because you want to really get a CD mattress is what you want to do. I do suggest that you guys get the credit card and do the 0% for 24 months, especially if it's over $2,000. If it's not, just go ahead and do the 12 months. But go when they're having a promotion like they're having now. As you can see now, they're having a flash sale. So definitely I would tell you guys to go when they're having a promotion. So as you can see right here, they're having a promotion where you're going to get the save 30% plus a gift. And when they're having the promotions, it's going to be even better because you're going to be able to have a greater discount than for those people that just want to get the mattress and are not going during the time where they actually have the promotion. And if you can do the 0% APR, that's going to be great too. So you can see right here that for the queen bed, they had the promotion for you. So again, it's 35% off right now. It ends today. That's what I'm recording, but I'm pretty sure any other time you come on here, they're going to have some type of promotion going on. So don't feel like you're being left out or something you have to rush to, or oh my gosh, Rickita made this video 2 years ago. It don't matter. Go on there. They probably got a promotion. If they don't have one, keep checking back. You're going to be able to find one. Go ahead and pre-qualify for the credit card, and hopefully you guys will be able to get approved for it. Hopefully you guys will be able to get it. But they do have the memory foam mattresses on here for people. They do have the bases, the bedding. So they have a lot of stuff. They even have things that's on sale for people that want to look at the things that's on sale. Maybe you want to get to the $2,000 mark, or maybe you're trying to get over the $500 mark and maybe you're not there. Then definitely look into some of the other options on here. Like you can add some adjustable pillows. That can be something that you do. Also, you guys can do the some of the beds that's on here, the foundations. So definitely look on here. Hopefully you guys find something that's good for you. But keep in mind, when I told you guys about this one, I really thought about this card, and I thought about it just to help for utilization. But hopefully you guys get approved. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.